How to link Instagram to Discord. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to link Instagram to Discord. So what you need to do is here, in order to link your Instagram to Discord, you simply want to open up your Instagram application first thing, and you want to click on the initials from the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the menu bar from the top right, or you could just click on edit profile. So when you go to edit profile, then you could find these options. You could just so basically click on share profile, and there you have your link. So click on copy link and exit out of this page. Now then you want to open up Discord on your device, and when you open up Discord, you want to go ahead and click on the use section from the bottom of the page. Click on the gear icon. Now here what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on accounts, or maybe you could just go ahead and click on. So then on this page, you could go to connections. As you go to connections, you have these options. So just click on the add button. If you look at it closer, you'll find no such option as to add for the Instagram. So what we are going to do is we'll simply go ahead and click on the domain section over here. Now then you want to paste in a link, tap the next button, and that is basically how you could link Instagram to Discord. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.